Imagine a future where innovation knows no limits, where groundbreaking medical devices save lives, aerospace technology pushes the boundaries of exploration, and every advancement is built on the foundation of precision, compliance, and confidence. For over 20 years, QT9 Software has been helping these companies in highly regulated industries take control of their quality and their operations. Compliance and operational headaches, disconnected systems, endless paperwork, countless Excel spreadsheets with manual entry, and of course, the fear of failing an audit. I've been there. That's why I created QT9 Software, to make compliance effortless and efficiency second nature. From life-saving medical devices to general manufacturing to aerospace and other life sciences, you can't afford mistakes. You need a system that automates compliance, reduces risks, and connects all your data, and of course, streamlines your operations. QT9 QMS has a proven track record of automating any quality system, and QT9 ERP will automate all of your manufacturing operations with a user-friendly interface. QT9 is more than just software. It's forward-thinking solutions designed to help you move faster, eliminate redundant processes, and give you the confidence to grow. Best of all, our solutions come complete out of the box with no hidden costs, no complicated setup, just clear upfront pricing. And at QT9 Software, our strength is our people. We work hand in hand with our customers, helping them navigate compliance and operational challenges while staying ahead of industry regulations. Our unlimited training is unmatched, and our ongoing support means we're with you every step of the way. Our customers love that. The industries we serve are shaping the future. QT9 Software helps ensure that they can innovate safely, they can stay compliant and avoid costly mistakes, and of course, build a future of success with confidence. So schedule a demo and see what's possible with QT9. Let's build what's next together. If you're ready to move faster, scale smarter, and simplify compliance and operations, QT9 is ready for you.